Family Nest Real Estate's YouTube channel. Today we are here at Omaxe Nature Park. This is in the vicinity of 8 acres and this is the most lovable part of the Omaxe residents because they come here and they spend their lovely time. And we are going to tell you the uniqueness about this garden. Stay tuned. To my right is the play area for the children, and to my left we have the open area gym space. On my left I have open gym area which can be utilized by the residents for the wellness of themselves. And let's take more look towards the unique features of this garden. Let's take a look. Wow. Say cheese. रिश्तों की इन्वेस्टमेंट विद फैमिली नेस्ट रियल एस्टेट्स। और ये हम इससे ज़्यादा बेहतर कहाँ जाने, ओमेक्स के नेचर गार्डन में, where we get to see that residents they themselves have planted this tree. And so the another uniqueness about this garden is the glass house there, where you can sit inside with your relatives, with your friends and with your family and with your special ones to spend a beautiful time under the lap of the open sky. And on the left I have a beautiful couple there sitting and reading newspaper. So I think it's all the memories that we make in the times to come. And that's what Family Nest Real Estates gives you the chance to invest with the best of the properties in Omaxe, New Chandigarh. And come and join, be a part of this beautiful family and spread it across everyone. Thank you.
Book a site visit today with our Family Nest Real Estate's property experts, because we uncomplicate your property buying in Chandigarh, around Chandigarh. Do not risk your hard-earned money. Connect with Family Nest Real Estates for professional advice, complete transparency, and best after-sales services. Please call us for all your property requirements in Chandigarh, Mohali, Airport Road, New Chandigarh, Mullapur, and all parts of Tri-City. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with Family Nest Real Estate's YouTube channel. We uncomplicate property buying in Chandigarh, around Chandigarh.